Hello, this is your celebrity teacher, Seroy, at Cap Terra Tutorials. Here we make geography an easy task for you. Do you know why you are going to pass this year's WASI? It is because I'm here to help you. Today we are going to look at map redaction. That's our first schedule. So let's zoom into it quickly. So for map redaction, we have two types. Today we are going to look at one type. For the type 1, two skills are given for you to work with. And so we're going to look at that. Look at this question. In your answer booklet, draw an outline of the map area shown to a scale of this. So this one is given in the question. Now, so for the type 2, a scale is given in the question. Is that okay? Let's move into it. Now, to do this work, surely a topographical map, or which we call topo sheet, will be given to you like this. So this is an example of a topographical map, as you can see very well. As I always say, look at the box at the right corner. Those boxes must be shaded in a color to make the map authentic for that examination. If any of the box is not shaded, remember the map is not legit for the exam. Remember that one. So that's the first thing to check, and write your name and your index number on it. That's it. Let's move on. Now, to do redaction, there are 5 things that you need. 5 things that you need. 5 things you need. You can't afford to forget. 5 things. The first one is the old skill. Old skill. Old skill will be given in the question. It will be given in the question. Where do you get it? It is on the topographical map given to you. It is on the topographical map given to you. It is on the topographical map given to you. So look at this. This is 1:50,000. 1:50,000. So that is what we are going to use. So you put it down. 1:50,000. I will send that. The next thing you need is the old length. Old length. Old length here is the length of the map given to you. So the map you are given, the length of it, the length of that map given to you in the exam, that is what you are going to get. So for you to get it, you have to measure. So let's measure. Let's measure. So you measure Here too, I always caution you. Do not measure the outside box here. The map ends here. So this is the line you are supposed to measure. So let's do that. Don't go and measure any other line. The inside one. Measure the inside one. Let me turn it this way so that you can see. So this is it. So I'm measuring. So look at what I'm doing. Like this. Up to here is 30 centimeters. So I have to add the rest to it, as you can see. So here. So as you can see here is, here is what? 6.5. Making the length to be what? 30 plus 6.5. That will be what? 36.5. 36.5 centimeters. The next thing to look out for is what? Old width. Where do you get that one? It's still the topo sheet given to you. So you measure the width of that topo sheet given to you. Okay? So let's do that one too. Quickly. Remember, you are not to measure the outside box, inside box. So this is it. Put your rule on it. From here, I hope you can see. From here to here is what? 30 centimeters. The map is bigger than my rule, and so we have to add the rest to it. So that is also, what did you see? 6.5. That is also 36.5. So our width is also 36.5 centimeters. The next thing we are supposed to look out for out of the 5 is the new scale. So the new scale, where do we get it? It's in the question. You have to draw the new outline of the map to a scale, this one, which means this is a new scale. So you put it down. 1 is to 50,000. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will respond to it quickly. So that is it. Remember to like and also share to your colleagues. Okay, so we have 4 out of 5. The next one is what? Scale factor. What is the work of a scale factor? Scale factor tells you how big you are to reduce, or how much to reduce, or to which level are you to reduce. So that is the work of the scale factor. Now, how do we get our scale factor? It's not given in the question. It's not given to you. So you have to work out for it. So let's work out for scale factor. Scale factor can be calculated in 2 ways. One, this is formula 1. Denominator of old scale all over denominator of new scale. Now let's put it inside and see. So denominator of old scale, which is what? 50,000, all over new scale, 150,000. If you work out this one, you get 1 out of what? 3. This is your scale factor. Let's do the second step, or the second type, or the second formula to calculating scale factor. That is what? That will be new scale all over old scale. So let's do that one. New scale is what? 1 out of 150,000 all over 1 out of 50,000. To solve this, or to calculate this, you multiply 2 by the reciprocal or the inverse. So this is it. 50,000 all over 1. This one to 50,000 all over 1. So this will let this one go. This will also let this one go. We are left with this. So now this times this will give us 50,000. This times this will give us 150,000. So if you work at this one, you still get what? 1 out of 3. So 1 out of 3 means what? We have to reduce the map to 1/3 of the original size. That is what scale factor is telling us. Now, there's a clue to this. If you are doing this thing, there are checkpoints you have to look out for. One of them is the scale factor. If the scale factor is a fraction, it is an indication that you are doing reduction. That is a checkpoint. I will give you the other checkpoint when we move on. Let's go. Now we've gotten the 5 things that we want. This is 1, old scale, old length, old width, new scale, and then scale factor. We got it. So let's move on and look for the new length so that we can produce our outline. So new length will be equal to old length times scale factor. New length will be equal to old length times scale factor. So let's go. So old length is what? 36.5 centimeters times what? The scale factor, which is 1/3. If you do this, you get what? What do you think we'll get? You get 12.1666. So just make this one 12.2 centimeters. That's our new length. Let's go for our new weight. That will be old weight times scale factor. So the old weight is what? Where is it? There's it. So let's do it. You get 36.5 centimeters times 1/3, which is the scale factor. Remember to like, share to your colleagues. If you do this, you get the same answer. So we said 12.2 centimeters. So now we got this and this. This is what we are going to use to draw our new outline. So let's do our new outline. Let's draw our new outline. For our new outline is 12.2 centimeters. So let's measure our 12.2 centimeters first. Are you with me? Let's do that. So this is it. 12.2. 12.2. I can draw it. 12.2. Then let me measure here too. Put the 12.2 on it like this. 12.2 on it. Then you mark it. You mark it. Don't draw it. Just mark it. Then you come here to get your 12.2 here. 12.2 here. Mark it. Don't draw it. Then you get this place. So if it is not correct, you adjust it. So as you can see, so there's a problem here. So we shift here small. So 12.2, we shift it to this side small. Let me clean the old one here. Okay, so let me measure this place. 12.2, palm. It has fall on it like this. So I will now draw this one. Then I can now draw this one. I can now draw this one too. So I just joining the point. See, it makes it so easy like this. So this is my outline. As you can see, this is my outline. But ladies and gentlemen, you don't stop there. You put your new scale below it. And our new scale is what? 1:150,000. Remember, features of a map, a good map. A good map should have what? A scale. It should also have what? A title. So here you write the title, reduced map of what is given to you. So you just put some, so reduce map. Let me see here. This one is what? Map for question 1. Reduce, okay, it is what? Map A. So reduce map of map A. That is the title. You can put your length here, 12.2 centimeters. Here to 12.2 centimeters. So this is it. This is one part of the question that you have done. You have to draw a new outline. We have done it. We calculate for it. We got it. That is it. The next step to this is to insert. So we are to insert things from the map, get maybe a settlement, maybe a river or a road. You are to insert into the outline. That will be in our next video. This is your celebrity teacher on Capterra Tutorials, Sir Roy. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. If you have questions you want to call me and ask me, you can. And then also, I am always available online. You can drop your questions, then I can be able to help you. This is your teacher, Sir Roy. Watch out for the next video on this. Thank you.